Value your peace. Alam po niyo yung peace is like a candle in the wind. Ang dali pong maihipan yan. Peaceful na peaceful ka sa umaga, nakasalubong mo yung tao na, naku, parang namatay na uli yung kandila. Mayroon kang nadinig. Treasure your peace. Huwag kang magpapatalo. You're a candle in the wind, so treasure your peace. And please, pwede ba? Hindi ikaw sana ang nanggugulo, disturbing the peace of your loved ones. Peace in our hearts, peace in our homes, peace in our country, and peace in the world. Fragile. Anything can happen. No more wars, Lord. And please be instruments of peace. And today, we light also the hope for God's promises. Pangako sa iyo, ipaglalaban ko. Pangako sa iyo, di kita iiwan. Pangako sa iyo, I'll be here for you. This is the promise of God. Hold on to these things. Ayan na naman, nasya-shatter ka. Focus, focus, focus. Focus on the Lord, not on the load. You're always focused on the load of problems, issues, and you forget to see the Lord. Mga kapatid, when you focus on the load is still there. Pero, hindi na yan ang pinakamalaking bagay. There is a God who is bigger than whatever load you're carrying. You can rise above water. Pangako sa'yo, yaksuk. You know the Korean yaksuk? Yaksuk, tojang,